Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a keyboard from Attack Shark. This is the R68 HE, HE standing for Hall Effect. Basically it's got rapid trigger and all the bells and whistles. It's a carbon fiber composite material keyboard. So basically, as you can see, it looks like exposed carbon from the race cars basically. It's got wire connection, magnetic switches and RGB backlight with a pulling rate of up to 8000 Hz, 8K, 0.08 milliseconds latency, and it's got RGB. I don't know if it's per key RGB, but I'm pretty sure it has some presets that it comes with already, and you can even customize it further. So here are some features. We already went through all of this. Hot swap as well, macro programmable, 68 keys layout, PBT keycaps, RGB lighting, 6 settings of the key, range, the model, and the amperage and the voltage. Pretty much that's it with the box. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm going to show you guys what you get inside, and after that we're going to put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. As you can see, we have a bunch of stuff, so let's start with the small stuff first. So they included some stickers with Attack Shark branding and some cute cartoon sharks, so that's nice. We have an instruction manual. It tells you everything you need to know about the keyboard, how to connect it, how to use it. So I would suggest give this a read. It will help you understand what the keyboard can do, how to customize it, and obviously how to get the most out of your keyboard. 5-minute read. It will really help you. They included some spare switches, the same switches we have in the keyboard. We have quite hefty length USB type A to USB type C cable. I'm not going to take it out, it's just a cable. This is to connect the keyboard to your device. The keyboard has a USB type C port right here. I'm going to show you in a second. And they have also included a keycap and a switch puller. This is basically a generic one. It will help you customize your keyboard. This is the keyboard itself. It comes with a branded Attack Shark dust cover. Let's take this away for a second. This is how the keyboard looks. As you can see, it's got this carbon fiber finish. I am not sure if the keycaps are carbon fiber because they are clear, but they might be. But they have basically the same frosted carbon fiber, exposed carbon fiber pattern. I really like the feel and the look of the carbon fiber in the front. I think it looks really good. On the side we have some LEDs and we have a plate. The other side, same thing. On the back we got 4 rubber feet and some info about the keyboard. In terms of connectivity, we have the USB Type-C port that I told you guys about, and we have a switch that will help you switch between Mac and Windows. We're gonna use it with Windows, so let's have it there. And pretty much that's it. That's what you get in the box, and that's all the features of the keyboard from what you can see straight away. Basically, it doesn't have a wireless mode because it's a wired keyboard, so you have to use a wire to be able to use it. You have to connect it with a wire, but that's not a downside. Some people prefer wired keyboards. So yeah, pretty much that's it with what's in the box. Let's go ahead now and set it up next to our setup. I'm gonna show you guys how you look next to a proper setup, and we turn it on. You guys can see the RGB, and maybe we do a sound test of the keys. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so this is how the keyboard looks like when it's fully set up. It actually matches my setup, and I like it really a lot because it's wide. My mouse is wide, my stream deck is wide, my desk is wide. It matches my setup a lot. The RGB, it's absolutely amazing with the see-through, kind of see-through frosted keycaps. And if you want to change the RGB, you do go FN and the slash key right here, and it's got some preset modes. You can switch between. It's got a bunch. But I like to keep it on rainbow just because it looks cool. If you want to turn it off, FN, arrow down until it turns off, arrow up to increase the brightness, the speed same, left and right. It's like most of the keyboards, but yeah, it looks really, really good. Keyboard is also super responsive, as you guys can see. I respond straight away, so that pulling rate out of the box is absolutely amazing. I'm gonna do a sound test now, so I'm gonna get as close as I can with the camera to the keyboard. I'm gonna press and key so you guys can hear the keyboard, how it sounds like. It's actually not bad. It sounds actually good for a keyboard that doesn't have a metal structure, and it's also a budget keyboard, but it looks absolutely great. I will definitely recommend this keyboard, and if you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.